In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Figma to Wix Studio. We will go through the full process from your design file in Figma all the way to bringing that content into Wix Studio. If you want a smoother handoff between design and website building, this is a simple workflow to know. To begin, open your design file in Figma. Make sure you are in the correct file before moving on, since this is the file you'll be exporting from. It also helps to quickly review your frames and styles so everything is organized before you send it over. Next, open the Plugins panel in Figma. You can do that by pressing Ctrl and K. Then choosing Plugins in the search bar. Type Figma to Wix Studio, and when it appears, click Run to install it. If this is your first time using the plugin, give it a moment to load completely. Once the plugin opens, log into your Wix account. This connects Figma with Wix Studio so the export can work properly. After signing in, click Get Started in the plugin window. You will then be asked to choose what you want to export. Select either styles or frames, depending on what you need to bring into Wix Studio, and then click Export. Wait until the export finishes before moving to the next part. If your file is larger, this may take a little longer. So just let the process complete. After that, switch over to Wix Studio. Open either a blank canvas or an existing project site in the Wix Studio editor. The important thing is that you are inside the editor where you want the imported content to go. Now move your cursor to the Studio logo in the top bar. Hover over it to open the Site menu. Then go to Tools and choose Import from Figma. This tells Wix Studio to look for the file you just exported from the plugin. When the import appears, click Apply to Site. At this point, Wix Studio may ask you to complete a quick one-time authorization process. This is normal and usually only takes a moment. Once that's done, the connection is complete and your Figma file will be linked into Wix Studio. As a final tip, if something doesn't appear right away, give the editor a few seconds to refresh and make sure the export in Figma finished successfully before trying again. And that's it. Thanks for watching.